Welcome to my second video. In this video I will show you how to create an endless power supply. This is just one of the ways to harvest energy from waves. Please keep the following in mind. I am not an IT professional and anything that involves editing is not my strong point. It's my aim to one day make moving animations of my ideas. I know this is by far a perfect video, but I have to start somewhere, so please bear with me. I've had innovative ideas for years and kept them to myself. Now I have decided not to keep them to myself anymore. I want to share this with the world. Would you please share this with your network? All my ideas have one thing in common. They all have to do with clean renewable energy, saving lives or making things better, more useful. Welcome to Food for Thought. Your invitation to innovation starts here. Please keep in mind this is not made to scale. This only explains the concept. Interested in innovative ideas? Subscribe to my channel, you will not regret it, that's a promise. This system works using paddles. Paddles are made of recycled plastic and are hollow inside. The paddles have two valves. They need to both be used to adjust the buoyancy. The lower part has a water valve. By opening the water valve and keeping the air valve closed, you can let in a tiny amount of water. Opening the air valve together with the water valve creates a high volume of water to enter the pedal. Using a two-valve system creates a safety system. If one of the valves should fail, the pedal will still be functional. These pedals should be quite durable, and when the teeth wear out, they can be remelted and recasted easily. The teeth have a solid grip on the axle when the waves push them, but when the recovery happens, the pedal can glide back with no grip on the axis. I can only show multiple angles to explain how this works. The air inside the pedals makes them want to float to the surface. Air inside makes it hang on, so to speak. Top view of all the cycles. Waves push them over, turning the axis. Buoyancy pushes them back up. The arrows indicate the force of the waves. The pedals get pushed over by the waves. The buoyancy causes the pedals to rise up. This axis will turn slow but with a lot of torque. It should be possible to use this power to drive a pump or generator. The 10 ton is not meant literally, it's more of a guesstimate. Once installed, this is a very simple but very effective way to generate power. As parts wear out, they are easily replaced. Waves push from this side. Here you can see two sets of 20 pedals. The more pedals, the more power. This system will only work on relatively shallow areas such as a beach. The pedals can be made of recycled plastic and can be reformed when the teeth lose their grip. This also goes for the axis. This should possibly be made of recycled plastic too. The buoyancy can be adjusted by letting out some air at the top. In other words, let water in. The system can be used almost anywhere as long as there are waves. Waves seldom come in a straight line. This system should be installed in a way that the waves hit and pass several pedals to ensure a continuous driving force on the axis. This system can be implemented to work below the surface. I think it could even possibly reduce erosion by taking away the energy of the incoming waves. I'm sorry, I'm doing my best to create images for you to show how I see them work in my head. This is the best I can do for now. If you would like to support me, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free and it helps me. This is a system for shallow water, but stay tuned, there is lots more coming your way soon. I would love to hear your thoughts on my idea. Please comment down below and share it. Thanks. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop a new video, and come back for more. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time.